Before mounting the cabinets, think about cable management. Where will you need to connect the lighting? Where do you want the cable to come out of the cabinet? Where do you connect the drivers to the power source? Where do you place the driver and how do you draw the cables to the driver? Make sure that the driver is serviceable and reachable. Some cabinets may need to be prepared for electrical outlets for your appliances and household electronics. Measure where you need to cut a hole in the back piece. When installing any IKEA worktop lighting, use the size that matches the cabinet. For example, a 40cm LED strip for a 40cm cabinet, a 60cm LED strip for a 60cm cabinet, etc. You don't need an electrician if you're connecting the driver to a wall socket. With all IKEA worktop lighting, it's recommended that you place the LED according to the assembly instructions. Some LED strips come with a template to facilitate assembly. Fix the plastic mounting brackets with the screws that are included. Click on the first lamp, then connect and click on the adjacent lamps. Use the connector that is included. When all the lamps in a row are attached and connected, you can choose which side you want to connect the power cord. Use the cable trunk that's included to attach the cable to the cabinet. Connect the power cord to one of the driver's multiple connectors. Use the power supply cord to connect the driver to the power outlet. If you want spotlights inside or above the cabinets, you connect them in the same way as the LED strips. When installed, the lighting switches on as default. To enable the switch off and on function and dimmability, connect the remote control to the driver by pressing the button inside the remote control. Follow the instructions that come with the remote control. Repeat the procedure with all the drivers you want to connect to the remote control. With the drawer lighting, there are two installation possibilities. 1. Click the lighting strip onto the metal frame in the drawer. You can only use this method with the top drawer. 2. Use the screws included to fix the drawer light onto the side panel of the cabinet. You can only use this method with the lower drawers. Use the power supply cord to connect the transformer to the power outlet. Cover the exposed cord with the plastic cable trunking, which is included. Connect the lamp cable to the driver multiple connector. All our lighting strips for drawers have a motion sensor that turns them on and off when opening and closing the drawer.